Hey everybody, this is Kevin Potter, and I'm going to show you guys how to use pattern plates in a hydraulic press. I know that you can use them in a rolling mill, not ours in particular, but there's a lot of them out there that can be used in a rolling mill. You can also use them in a hydraulic press. I'll give you an example of how this works. When you're running a pattern plate through a rolling mill, all the force is on a small section of your metal, and that's what gives you such good impressions. The same thing applies with a hydraulic press. All you need to get an impression in a pattern plate is a little tiny piece of urethane. That's all you need. You do not need a big sheet. You will never get the entire piece at one time. When you use this pusher, you must center it. Do not put it out here. Come down the side of your press and make sure that it is in the center. So there we go. Move your urethane ahead. So you can see we've got a perfect pattern. So let's do another one. Let's do this random pattern. This has a wider opening. So something like this, you could get away with a piece of urethane about this large. So let's give that a try. So you're going to put it in the press, and you're always going to try to keep all the forces centered. Keep your urethane in the center, your work in the center. So we've just extended our pattern down the piece. This is a polka dot pattern, so let's do a piece with this. Pretty neat. Nice and crisp. Works really well. This thing's pretty cool. This will give you a fluted part. Then we've got the Greek key, and then we've got this diamond checkerboard pattern, kind of my favorite. So if you see any patterns that you like, it's perfectly acceptable to use them in your press. But what you're going to want to remember, you're not always going to use a giant piece of urethane. For most of the stuff that has a lot of fine detail in it, you're going to use a tiny piece of urethane, and that's going to focus all the force into that one area, and it will spread out. So you could easily do a section, you know, 1 inch to 2 inches across at a time. And remember, always center your work. I can't stress that enough. Thanks for watching.